I'm Tom Latané from Pepin, Wisconsin. This is my first class at the Marc School of Woodwork, and I'm really pleased to be here. What we're doing in this class is building a cabinet lock similar to this antique one which we're using as a prototype. This lock has no handle on the inside, so it's not for a door. The key would come through from the outside of the door and rotate, passing the wards in this, which is called the ward box, until it strikes the talon on the bolt and draws the bolt back. So far in the class, the students have made a bolt, they've made the front staple, the back staple, they've worked on the ward box, and now what they're starting on is their key. This is a key that I made because this antique lock came without a key. And they're forging parts and brazing them together, which will then be filed and cleaned up to be a key similar to this one. I'm really enjoying teaching at the Marc School. I'm very impressed with the facility here, the people here, and I highly recommend it.